Hi guys, welcome to the next episode of Designing Sketching for Beginners. In the first episode, we did our first topic, which is lines and shapes. In our second episode, we worked out how to prepare a block figure. See, I already told you block figure is the first step. It can be a little boring, but we have to work accordingly. This is be working as a stencil to prepare a figure. Today we are doing block figure for back view and fleshing out for front view and back view. Earlier we did block figure for front view female. So the only difference when we do block figure in front view and back view is, like in front, female have bust. For bust, in the end, what we have to do, we have to take a center point from the shoulder and come half inches down and move half inches on your right and half inches on your left. This will help, and prepare the arrows randomly. This will give you bust. And at the back, the exact block figure, whatever you've drawn here, would be on the back view. Block, there is no difference of any measurement in front and back view in terms of block figure. Only we have bust in front view and we have backbone in the back view. As you can see, we'll draw a darker line over here. So that gives us back view. So, today we are starting with our fleshing out. Like the way I told you, we will use this block figure as a stencil. Whatever we are going to draw, we are going to use it inside out, everything. So, let's begin. Now, in the starting, the first lecture, I asked you to prepare ovals and practice ovals a lot. Oval is the first image what we have to draw in front view. This is oval. So what we have done here is we've taken a little part upwards and a little part down in the chin. As you can see, everything is connected, right? So for neckline, take inside curve like this. Then for shoulders, prepare like this. So, in front view, we prepare a proper oval, neckline, inside curves and shoulders. Whereas in terms of back view, we will prepare an oval, and what we do is, we will not prepare chin. This is chin, what we've drawn here. At the back, we will prepare the curve like this. It's like this. This is your back neck. This is your oval for front. Get it? Okay. Same way in the back also, we will take inside curve for neckline and we will draw the shoulders like this. Okay. So next is for preparing bust. Now bust is like, if you've seen a female body, you must have noticed the female body, the bust there is a gap between. So this is the gap. So bust starts from underarms like this. These are your arms. So it starts from underarm. So prepare like 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And for waist, prepare inside curve like this. Just have a look. For bust, prepare 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Three-way process. Okay. Then here also we don't have bust at the back, so we are not going to prepare bust. We are only going to make inside curve for the waist, just like we did in front view. Here also. We will not do anything related to it. This is the gap for arms, armhole. Okay, underarms. Okay, next is we are preparing hip curve. For hip, go outer curve. Prepare the curves outer, like this. For waist, we go for inside curve. For hip, we go for outer curve. Okay. So now, this is the easiest part. Now, what we'll do is, we will move a little longer for legs. Like I already told you, 7th point is our knee always. Now, try to stretch this hip part and bring it inside and slightly curve it on the 7th point. Then take an arc like this and stretch it again and bring it inside. Stop at the ankle. This is your ankle. Then take the foot like this and prepare a curve like this. Okay. Then this is your crotch. This is crotch. Crotch is zipper area where you unlock your zip. Okay. So we are going to prepare a little arc and we are not going to touch the center line. You have to keep in mind that you do not have to touch this line, the center line which we've drawn as a center partition. Why? Because we are preparing a fashion figure here. Fashion figure. So fashion figures, fashion models are a bit skinny. And a skinny person, for a skinny person, their thighs do not touch each other. Okay, so draw a line without touching the center line, then make it straight and join the last point. Okay, watch once more time. Come straight, give a slight turn on the knee, then give an arc, take a curve, bring it to the ankle, take it straight, make a foot. From the crotch, come down, take a curve and bring straight and join the foot. So this is your crotch and these are your legs. Okay. So in the back, okay, in front we have bust. At the back we have backbone and hip. So what are we going to do is, we are going to turn this hip level and make a curve like this. Take the hip level and prepare a slight curve like this. This will give you hip. Okay? Like this, a slight curve. Fine? Then, again bring the leg inside and weight on the knee. Like for knee here, we've given a slight curve. And here also we've prepared a curve. At the back, we've turned the chin upward. So do exactly the same here. Turn it upward. Make a arc. Bring it down. Okay, it's tricky when we draw the back foot like this. Just watch me. It's like when your foot is like this, standing like this. Like when you stand like this, so this front foot is like this. You can see the legs, the fingers. And when your ankle is upwards, you see it from the back like this. So this. Then draw the straight line as you've done in the front way. Just watch carefully one more time. Bring it down. Prepare the knee. Then take a curve and prepare a foot. Then join. Give a slight line like this. So this is your front view, this is your back view. And this is what we are making. We are doing fleshing out today. Flesh is your skin. This is your skin. So today what we are doing, we are giving this block figure skin. We are preparing fleshing out, female fleshing out croquis. Now these are turned into a croquis. Croquis. Okay. So in the last, every time in the end, we are going to prepare hands. Every time you will prepare hands in the end. So just watch. We have a line in our hand, this line. You can see this line. Okay. So like this is your palm. Give a shape, thumb, and like this. Watch again. This line. Like this. This is your front view fleshing out, croquis. Okay. At the back hand, we don't have this line. We have flesh. So we will prepare a bit flesh over here. Rest would be the same. Like this. Watch again. Flesh. Like this. There is one thing you have to always keep in mind, like your hands. Always try to, like, have you ever noticed when you stand, your hands finish at half of your thigh. Okay, half thigh. So try to complete your hands at your half thigh. Okay. So we've completed fleshing out today. I'm going to give you a brief again. Alright. Okay. Now we've completed with our session into fleshing out. Okay. Fleshing out front view croquis and back view croquis. So now I'm going to tell you how to give movement. We are going to learn movements. How to give movements in our body. So it's really very easy. What we have to do is we have to make a little swing. Like where there are divisions, like the division is here. So we will create a small arc. As I already told you, the half hand touches your waist. So this is your waist and this is your half arm. What are we going to prepare? We are preparing an arc like this. Like this. To the ankle and to the foot. So these are certain arcs that will help us in creating the movements. Like if I'm going, movements will be given like this. So this is your movement. Then if you want to prepare a movement to your leg. So up till here, half of your thigh will be like this, and we are going to give a movement from the outer line first. Now this crotch will remain where it is already. So we are going to prepare a knee here. Now, again, half leg up till ankle will be here. And foot will rest where it rests. Can you see the one leg is always straight and the other is giving the movement? We need this one leg to be straight, so that this will create balance. and this is movement. Get it? Now, if I want to create this leg, I want to make this leg go up. So I'll go like this. And you can see the leg, half leg is going upwards. Got it? Okay. So now if I want to make my hand, one hand go right here. Half will remain like this. Half will give the movement. Like this. This is how we give movement. Like if I want to give movement, this is how basically we give movement. If I want to prepare a leg overlap, like this is coming here, let's take it inside.